We're going over there. We're going to watch SeaWorld Seven Seas Orcas show. Yeah. Now we're walking here at the bridge with this dum-dum. He wanna have a tan, so he wants his thing to be dark in here. So I said the tummy need to be dark, so he need to put his shirt like, yeah, like that. I love you.
I love you too.
Woo. It's really hot. Look at that. I will be really dark now. I'll be tan for the day. I look like a lechon now. I'm a lechon now. I'm very oily, like a pig. I've been walking for like 3 hours, and now I am all setting oil all over. And him, he's still trying. You want to be dark, you want to be tan, so he wants to do it like he's crazy.
Orchid counter.
Oh, okay, okay. So yun nga, after 1 day kid of walking, dumating na din tayo dito sa wakas. Ayan, char, 1 day kid. So ayan, habang naghihintay kami sa oras kung kailan magsisimula yung Orcas show nila, ayan, meron silang mga palaro na bali mga ano tawag dyan nga, mga trivia na ayan, sasagutin mo siya with your hand, ano lang siya, sign. So, ayan, nag-i-enjoy din naman ang lahat, ng hula-hula. Well, ako lang siguro yung nag-i-enjoy. Well, yung iba naman nag-cooperate din siya. So, ayan, wala din naman talaga ako masyadong alam sa mga ganyang bagay. Pero, syempre, hula-hula lang naman. Wala namang mali sa sagot. Well, mali talaga yung mga sagot ko dahil wala akong idea. Pero, syempre, wala namang nakakaalam dun. Ako lang pati asawa ko. Char. So, ayan, excited talaga ako na makita yung tinatawag nilang, killer whale daw siya. Kasi never naman ako nakakita nun talaga in person na yung ganito malapitan. So yan, excited din talaga ako na mapanood yung show. Ang galing din talaga nila no na turo. Nakakapag sila, bali pinag-aralan talaga nila yung yung fish na ito para makakommunicate sila at maturuan nila kung ano yung mga exhibition na gagawin, yung mga talent ng mga ganito. Buti pa nga yung dolphin may talent eh. Sana maging dolphin na lang din ako, char. At saka habang dyan kami nakaupo talaga, na-amaze ako sa parang swimming pool nila na para sa dolphin. Alam ko ang lalim talaga niyan. Parang gusto kong mag-swimming dahil sobrang init talaga yung naglalakad kami papunta dito. Kaya ayan, namula-mula na ako sa sobrang init. Buti na lang talaga, inisprehan ako ng asawa ko ng sunblock para hindi ako masunog. Kasi ewan ko ba, sobrang init. Pero ayan, ang water na yan, napaka-fresh tingnan na parang gusto ko na lang maging dolphin para makapag-swimming din. At sa wakas, ayan na, nakikita ko na sila! Oh my God, nag-open na yung gate. Ayan na yung mga fish. Iwan ko kung nakikita nyo yung nakikita ko, pero ayan na sila. Pag open ng gate, swim na sila kaagad. Ayan, char! Oh my God, look at that fongs! Ang galing, di ba? Nakaka-amaze talaga siya. Ibang-iba talaga yung sa video kasi sa personal. Kasi sobrang ganda. Tapos, ewan ko lang, napufulfill lang yung heart ko. Kasi dream ko talaga to dati, nung bata pa ako. Kasi nakikita ko to sa mga palabas, sa TV, ganito, ganun. Tapos ngayon at least nandito na ako. So, thankful ako sa asawa ko. Dinala niya ako dito. Mas maganda sana to kung kasama ko yung anak ko. Pero of course, soon, babalik kami dito na kasama na yung anak ko. Para mag-enjoy din siya. Kasi alam ko yung anak ko, mas marami siyang alam sa akin. Kaysa sa akin about sa mga dolphins. So, ayan. Ang galing nila talaga magturo ng mga tricks. Tapos every time na meron silang pinapagawa sa sa dolphin na yan, pinifeed nila yan siya. Ang daming parang galunggong na isda. Nakikita ko yung mga isda na pinapakain nila every time nagagawa sila ng tricks. Pinifeed nila para susunod sa kanila yung isda. So, bawal talaga magutuman. Sobrang dami daw talaga ng pinapakain nila everyday sa sa Orcas killer whale na ito. Ayan, ang lalaki. Alam nyo ba yung isang isda dyan, yung pinakananay nila? Na siya, 48 years old na siya. Tapos yung anak nun, 13 years old, kasama nila dyan sa show. So, tatlo yan sila dyan na dolphin. Yung isang nanay, which is 48 years old. Tapos yung anak nila, 13 years old. Natatawa nga ako sa asawa ko kasi yung asawa ko, 48 years old na din siya. Tapos yung dolphin is 48 years old. Sabi niya, oh my God, yung kakaanak pa lang sa akin, inanak din yung dolphin. Ang ganda lang. Kasi diba, umabot sila ng ganong years. Ganon katagal yung life expand nila. Tapos, mas aabot pa daw yan talaga sila ng mas tatanda pa. Diba, nakakamiss yung mga ganon. Hindi ko talaga akalain na sa tanang buhay ko makakarating ako dito at makakapanood ako dito live sa mga ganitong show. Tapos mamaya hahawak ako sa dolphin. Meron kaming pupuntahan din mamaya na encounter siya. So pwede mong hawakan yung dolphin. So mafe-feel mo yung balat nila, o di ba? Yun yung mas excited ako dahil never pa talaga. Yung nakakahawak naman ako ng maraming isda, pero syempre iba pa rin yung mahahawakan mo talaga yung dolphin. Pero well trained naman daw siya at hindi naman sila nangangagat. So ayan, hindi ako natatakot. Excited talaga ako.
At the top of the ocean. At the bottom are small animals, like krill. At the top, the apex predator, the killer whale. Killer whales are as big as a bus.
Scientifically known as Orchinus orca, commonly referred to as killer whales. Here at SeaWorld, we know them as Katina, Milani, Malia, Trua, and Makayo, our killer whale family. Makayo is the youngest whale at 13 years old, and the oldest is Makayo's mother, Katina, who this year will be celebrating her 48th birthday. Wow. Katina is also the matriarch or leader of the pod. SeaWorld's animal training techniques create a language between us
It's your
and
sister.
whales. It's a language of learning,
Twin.
positive
You guys are
reinforcement,
40.
encouragement, commitment, and care. Through these techniques and our relationships, the whales learn to trust us and even learn to take an active role in their very own health and well-being. Now, one of the very first husbandry or healthcare behaviors that we train is a position in which we would ask for a voluntary blood sample. The whales learn to roll ventral or upside down and present their tail flukes, just like True was demonstrating here. Not only does this give us an excellent look at their entire bodies, but it also gives us access to blood vessels that can be easily seen on the white underside of their tail flukes. Our veterinarians collect a blood sample at least once a month, and the whales are trained to remain calm and relaxed throughout the entire procedure. Now, as trainers, we're frequently rubbing down or massaging the whales. From its dorsal fin to its tail flukes is still in the water. This is the powerhouse of the killer whale. It's called the peduncle, and it's very heavy and very muscular. With the peduncle still in the water, we would not be getting an accurate weight, so we're able to solve that problem by simply asking them to lift their tails up and out of the water. Training is posture. 1, 2, 3, make your hands! Well done, everyone. You can have a seat. As you can see, Trua was paying very close attention to you. Killer whales are very curious animals and can be often seen sky-hopping and jumping completely out of the water to get a better look around. Makayo's going to demonstrate this with a bow over at the stage. Let's hear it for Makayo! That was amazing. Right side of the stadium, it's your turn. Go ahead and stand up. We have an even bigger jump plan. This is called a reach. On the count of 3, you'll take your right hand and bring it to the side. Now, killer whales reach for a wide number of reasons, whether to surprise their prey, scratch an itch, or just to show off. Let's hear it one more time for all of you, Trua and Makayo. As you can see, killer whales are amazing athletes, and they eat several hundred pounds of food every single day. And the ocean killer whale diets depend on where they live and the time of year.
So yun na nga, ang dami na naman nating natutunan ngayon about sa killer whale. Sana nanonood kayo at sana tandaan nyo yung mga ibang mga detalye na sinasabi. So ayun na nga, nakakatuwa talaga tong na to. Di ba, well train, tingnan nyo. Binabasa kasi kaya talaga lumipat kami. Kasi sabi kanina, nung pag-upo namin, doon talaga kami sa pinaka-front. Tapos sabi nila, daw, nang babasa daw siya. So ayan, lumipat kami ng asawa ko sa taas kasi sabi ko, ayaw kong mabasa. Tapos ang ending, the end of the day, oh my God, basang-basa din pala ako dahil sa mga rides na ginagawa namin. Nakakatuwa siya. Nakikita niyo yan. Natatawa ako dun sa mga bata kasi may mga bata na umupo sa harap. Tapos basang-basa yung isang bata. Tapos iyak siya ng iyak talaga dahil hindi siya ready. Tingnan niyo yan. So, kung sa harap talaga kami yung po ng asawa ko, oh my God, basang-basa kami. Dahil yung nagsisialisan. Tuwang-tuwa naman yung mga bata talaga na gustong-gusto maanuhan ng tubig. Pero syempre, di ba, di ko naman inaakala talaga na ganito dito. Pero, yun na nga, ending, basang-basa din pala ako. So, yan yung tinatawag na teamwork sila, yan. Pumunta na sila dyan. Ending na to siya, patapos na yung show. Meron siyang show mamayang gabi ulit, pero syempre, tapos na kami dito. So, lilipat kami sa iba. So, samahan nyo pa rin kami sa aming part 3 ng adventure na ito. Bye!